All right.
Hi, I'm Emma Jane,
Hi, I'm Robin,
and we're from the island of St. Helena.
which is located in the middle of the South Atlantic Ocean, home to about 4,000 people.
People from St. Helena are called saints.
Hence why we are called the Saint
Saint Cooks.
Cooks.
Our aim is to share and celebrate the food and culture of St. Helena.
We share videos, recipes, and interesting information about the island.
And generally show off the community of St. Helena.
Because of its isolation, St. Helena is unlike anywhere else in the world.
It's best known for the exile of Napoleon Bonaparte, who later died on the island.
It is also home to the world's oldest living land animal, Jonathan the tortoise, who is 186 years old.
As well as having one of the world's most expensive coffees.
Our food is simple, home-cooked comfort food.
It's a fusion of African, Indian, and Chinese influences.
It is easy to make, flexible, and delicious.
So if you want to learn more about this unique island jewel,
And how to make some of the best, most adaptable food anywhere in the world.
please like, share, and subscribe to our channel to find out more.
Thank you, and see you later, Labby!